Welcome, in the Tube family, choosing the best department for a tech career. If you're passionate about technology, but aren't sure which department or field to specialize in, this video is a must-watch. It breaks down the different tech departments like computer science, information technology, software engineering, and more. You'll learn 1. Computer science CS. Focus: theoretical and practical aspects of computing, including algorithms, programming, and software development. Careers: software developer, data scientist, AI, ML engineer. Desk 4. Those interested in deep technical work and innovation in computing. 2. Information technology IT. Focus: managing and applying technology in organizations, including systems, networks, and IT support. Careers: IT manager, network administrator, systems analyst. Desk 4. Those who enjoy implementing and managing technology solutions. 3. Software engineering SE. Focus: designing and developing software systems with engineering principles. Careers: software engineer, DevOps engineer, software architect. Desk 4. Those who enjoy building and managing software projects. 4. Cybersecurity. Focus: protecting systems and data from cyber threats. Careers: cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, security consultant. Desk 4. Those passionate about security and problem solving. 5. Data science. Focus: analyzing and modeling data to extract insights. Careers: data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer. Desk 4. Those who love working with data and making data-driven decisions.